Good morning, students. Welcome you all to the online class of Gyanodaya. We were discussing chapter 6, which is integers. Today we will be studying the third exercise. In our previous class, we have already discussed how to add and subtract using the number line. Again, today we will be discussing how to subtract the integers using the number line. As I had already taught you, to add, we move right from 0. Again, to add a number of integer, we move right side of 0. And to subtract integers, we move to the left of 0. To the left of 0 when we are going, we are subtracting a number in a number line. One way of using the number line for subtracting integers is to move in the opposite direction of adding integers. To add a positive integer, move to the right on the number line. To add a negative integer, move to the left on the number line. To subtract a positive integer, move to the left on the number line. We have added positive integers on a number line. For example, consider 6 plus 2. We start from 6 and go 2 steps to the right side. We reach at 8. So 6 plus 2 is 8. In figure 6.11, you can see how we have added 6 plus 2. We also saw that to add 6 and minus 2 on a number line, we can start from 6 and then move 2 steps to the left of 6. We reach at 4. So we have 6 plus minus 2, which is 4. Thus we find that to add a positive integer, we move towards the right on a number line, and for adding a negative integer, we move towards left. We have also seen that while using a number line for whole numbers, for subtracting 2 from 6, we would move towards left. In figure 6.13, you can see when we are adding 6 plus minus 2, we are moving left. That is 6 minus 2, which is 4. What would we do for 6 minus minus 2? Would we move towards the left on the number line or towards the right? If we move to the left, then we reach 4. Then we have to say 6 minus minus 2, 4. This is not true because we know 6 minus 2 is 4 and 6 minus 2 is not equal to 6 or 6 minus bracket minus 2. So we have to move towards the right. So 6 minus minus 2, which is 8. This also means that when we subtract a negative integer, we get a greater integer. Consider it in another way. We know that additive integer of minus 2 is 2. Thus, it appears that adding the additive inverse of minus 2 to 6 is the same as subtracting minus 2 from 6. Let us find the value of minus 5 minus 4 using a number line. We can say that this is the same as minus 5 plus 4, as the additive inverse of minus 4 is 4. We move 4 steps to the right on the number line starting from minus 5. So you can see we will be reaching at minus 1. So we reach at minus 1. That is minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1. Thus minus 5 minus bracket open minus 4 bracket close is equals to minus 1. Okay, let us consider some examples. Find the value of minus 8 minus minus 10 using number line. Solution. Minus 8 minus minus 10 is equal to minus 8 plus 10, as additive inverse of minus 10 is 10. On the number line, when we are starting from minus 8, we will move 10 steps toward right. So where we will be reaching, when you will count, we will be reaching at 2. So we reach at 2. Thus minus 8 minus minus 10 is 2. Hence, to subtract an integer from another integer, it is enough to add the additive inverse of the integer that is being subtracted to the other integer. Now next example, subtract minus 4 from minus 10. So minus 10 minus minus 4. Minus 10 plus additive inverse of minus 4, which is minus 6. Subtract plus 3 from minus 3. minus 3 minus plus 3. So minus 3 plus additive inverse of plus 3, which is minus 3 minus 3. The answer will be minus 6. So we have finished our third exercise of integers and we have completed our sixth chapter, which is integers. Please solve your question and answer and study hard. Thank you.